Hi, I'm going back-to-back videos. It's your boy Terrence Carter. Yes, sir. I'm here, back at it again with another video. So, I want to talk about retention and high key. Just because I was watching a video on confidence, I want to talk about how being on retention and NoFap will help you with your confidence within yourself. Now, the first thing that you're gonna have to realize is that you have yourself to spend the rest of your life with. You know what I'm saying? And you're with yourself 24/7. So you have to learn how to be confident with who you are. And no matter how tall you are, no matter your weight, skin color, you know, like external things, your real confidence stems from within yourself. And a lot of things that we embrace in this human experience as far as a lack of self-confidence more than likely stem from like your childhood, you know. If you were like myself, like I tell y'all, being like verbally bullied and stuff like that, or you know, wanting to be like, for instance, right, when I was younger, I wanted to be an NBA player, right? But was I really confident enough in myself to obtain that goal? Probably not. Obviously. So, you know, a lot of the low confident ways of feeling, it really just stems from like the past. So me, you know, advising y'all to get on retention and NoFap so that you're able to work on your confidence is just me learning from my own personal experience. Another thing too is you don't want to be a person that like doesn't trust themselves and that second guesses themselves, right? Because if you don't trust yourself in your own word or what you tell yourself that you're going to do, then you're going based off of somebody else's word, which is in some way, shape, or form like giving your power away. So, for example, let me just use this as a brief example. You a person, right? You may want to put on an outfit that you like, right? Cool, you like it. But then you'll ask for somebody else's opinion on it. How do you think this look? This and the third. Does this look nice on me, etc.? Things like that, right? So in some way, shape, or form, you're not confident in your own word. You're not confident in you liking it because you like it. If you say you like it, then that's just what it is. It should not matter how other people feel or if another person likes it or not. Same thing with your goals, right? You have personal goals that you set out for yourself. This is your reality that you create, right? And the Most High God is powerful, bruh. God is going to align you with people that are vibrating on that same level, right? And if you're around people that's not vibrating on that level, that don't have no goals, no personal goals, or they don't even take it as serious as writing it down. Like if you're around those type of people that don't write things down and stuff like that, don't be around those people. Remove yourself from those people, because people like that aren't confident in themselves. If you write a goal out, you are confident that you're going to accomplish it because you wrote it down. It came from your thought. Now, I get it. I tell you all the time, all your thoughts are not yours. It's not yours, bro. But your ideas, the things that you want to bring to life, those are yours, bro. And those come from a source, which is higher. That you are the higher source. Those come from the Most High God. So, me, when I'm constantly making these videos, I'm bringing my ideas to life. You know, I'm expressing myself. I had the idea of expressing myself to the people. How can I get an effective message to somebody in some way, shape, or form with just using my phone and this YouTube platform? You know what I'm saying? But realistically, you gotta learn how to think more positive. I understand and I get it in life. Everything ain't gonna go good and gravy. But think more positive and have a positive mental attitude. That is also important when it comes down to being confident in yourself. Alright? Real talk. Positive mental attitude will go a long way. If you have a negative mental attitude, if you're a person that's pessimistic, right? You're always looking at the glass half empty. You're always focused on the negative in life. Things ain't going my way. Things is too hard. I can't do it. This and the third. If you allow tough moments in life to define you, that is you not being confident in yourself, right? You feel like you can't change it. But we all have the ability to change, bro. Everybody. We not a freaking tree, bro. We not a animal. Yes, we have animal instincts, but we're not animals, bro. A dog can't change. You feel me? A dog is a dog. A cat is a cat. A tree is a tree. But us as human beings, we spiritual beings having this human experience, we can change, bro. We could change the way we perceive ourselves. We could change the way that we perceive our lives. The things that we tell ourselves, you know. You got to learn how to really shine your light within, bro. Like, that's another thing with confidence. We all got an inner light. Some people be afraid to shine it because you're afraid of negative opinions. But you see, you also have this thing called an aura, right? So your aura is your magnetic field, because we are magnetic beings having this human experience. So your aura is able to deflect the negative opinions. Because at the end of the day, you got to ask a person, well, being that we all connected, right? Why do you internally, like, if somebody has something negative to say about you, for example, somebody writes a negative comment on YouTube, right? Why did that person take the time out of their day? Time is your most important asset. They took the time out of their day to send you negative energy when they could have easily sent you positive energy, or they could have just kept their opinion to themselves, bro. Like, you gotta really think about it, bro. Like, that's one of the easiest things to do. Keep your opinions to yourself. What did they teach us as kids? If you don't have something nice to say, don't say it at all. But yeah, man, be protective of your essence. Be protective of your energy. And the reason why I'm saying that is because I had to master that within myself, bro. Like, because I had to really learn how to love myself unconditionally. You know, love the vessel that the Most High God has given me to operate in. Real talk. And learning that I'm more than just this body. You know, I am a powerful spiritual being having this 3D human experience, and my power is infinite. You know what I'm saying? And the things that people have to say about me, it should not determine how I feel about myself. What should determine how I feel about myself is me. That's it. Me and God. That's it, right? You know? And that's something that I constantly, like, just remind myself and teach myself on a day-to-day basis, bro. You know what I'm saying? Word though. But like I said, man, being confident in yourself, it takes time. It's something that you gotta do for the rest of your life, bro. And it's never gonna come from something external. Like, I don't care, bro. I don't care what you got, the most expensive car, the biggest house, the I don't give a fuck what you got on the external, bro. That don't, like, it's not a form of validation. It's just a part of your lifestyle. But how you really, really feel about yourself comes from the inside. And it will always come from the inside, bro. No matter what. You know what I'm saying? So, like, really, really be there for yourself, bro. Like, real talk. Real talk, bro. Get to know yourself, bro. You know? And allow your energy, which is why retention and nofap is important. Allow your energy to cultivate within and make you feel whole again. Because I'm telling you, porn makes you feel so disconnected from your own reality, because you're watching something it's real to the people that's doing it, but it's fake to you because you're not there. Okay? It keeps you desensitized. It desensitizes your mind. It's wasting your time. It's making your vessel weak. You know, it gives you brain fog. You're tired, like things like that, bro. And it's you're using the porn to suppress how you really, really feel. But if you just allow yourself to just be free, right? You gotta allow yourself to just be free and allow your spirit to like show you what you really about, bro. Like, you really a powerful person. And I'm telling y'all this because y'all probably was not taught this as kids. Word. I just want to express myself once again. Build that confidence within yourself. Take it one day at a time. Learn that you are not perfect, but we all have a journey where we go through our imperfections and we learn how to just be whole and one with ourselves, bro. Mind, body, and spirit. All right? All praise to the Most High God. I love y'all. Like, comment, subscribe. And I'll be back at it with some more content. Yes, sir.